Veer Zara, we were shooting. I didn't know the camera angles. And another actor covered me a bit. And I didn't know how to say it. And I was sulking. कि अब मैं कैसे बोलूँगा मैं कैसे बोलूँ and then he told the actor, would you please mind just you covering Divya.
मैं तो बहुत बड़ी रोमांटिक हूँ, इसीलिए मुझे जो चाहिए वो नहीं ये यश जी ने जो फिल्में दिखाई हैं और वैसे वाला राहुल राज अगर लाइफ में आ जाएं तो बहुत अच्छा हो जाएगा.
I am not for marriage at all. But what if tomorrow I get married? So
Yeah.
ये क्या होगी मेरी मर्जी मेरी life ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਤੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕੀ. I've driven right something from a truck to a tractor. Don't go by my size.
Truck?
Yes.
When have you driven a truck? And
for an
why?
ad film.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so because उसको कुछ आप सेट नहीं कर सकते तो पीछे 4 गद्दियाँ लगाई थी मैंने. Earlier initial days, I was the exuberant self and say, "Good morning, sir. Happy that I'm with Mr. Bachchan and I'm shooting with him. Dream come true." Gradually, the nasty bit of the role started getting on to me, and my good mornings just dimmed away. They were like, "Good morning, sir," and he said, "Tum idhar aao." And I went. He said, "Tumhe pata you're not really being nice to me in the film."
Welcome, Divya ma'am, to After Hours. I am such a huge fan, and I have been a huge fan of yours for a while. And I'm doing this after a while, and I'm so glad that you're the person that I'm doing this with now after my little short break.
Thank you so much, my dear, and I'm so delighted to be on the show.
Thank you for coming. You look beautiful.
So
of
do
course,
you.
Let's
Stunner.
start by saying you look beautiful. But I think more than that, I have been an avid watcher of all the work that you've done and admired it. I've admired your voice. I was thinking about whether it would be appropriate or not to call it sexy, but I was like, you know what, I'll take that shot.
Absolutely.
I think you have an incredible voice. I think you
Thank
have incredible presence. I love the choices you've made. So, what an
you.
honor to sit in your presence.
Thank you, my dear. Really, really feels nice.
How tired are you? Let's start with that. In the midst of all the promotions, how exhausted are you today?
I think this is called good exhaustion.
Fair
When
enough.
you like doing something and you're busy with that,
Yeah.
I think that's great exhaustion. But ye chahiye hoti hai. This is what we work hard for.
Yeah. Nee, I'm sure. And I feel like, by the way, I want to tell you that I actually have seen your show. So I sit here as
What?
as an informed viewer and I loved it. And I
Thank you.
want to talk so much about it. But I want to start by asking you so much of, this show and your character in particular is about growing up with a certain kind of conditioning and outgrowing that conditioning. You've spoken a lot about both your parents and how sort of close you've been to your mom in particular. Tell me, ma'am, how has your dad shaped your thinking and how has your mom shaped your thinking?
Well, it wouldn't be fair to compare the two because I lost my dad when I was 7.
Yeah.
So usme, as a child's mind, I think I have the fondest memories of my dad.
Hmm.
But wo utni hi thi.
Hmm.
So when you really need, when life is happening to you, so it was mom who was
Yeah.
there. But I think with dad, right from him waking me up in the morning and saying, learn your spellings now because early morning जो आप सीखते हो वो कभी भूलता नहीं है.
ये सारे पेरेंट्स बोलते हैं.
Yeah, वो सब papas और सब mamas बोलती हैं. But also I remember I was so fond of him that when he went to London to take up a job, I was I think 3 or something. I would tell my mom, can I call my uncle dad for a bit until dad comes back? And mom said this to my dad, and he just left his job and he came back. So that closeness, that I wouldn't say I learned lessons from him. That wasn't my age to do that.
Yeah.
But I had the most amazing time with him as a dad who was a friend. And that apart, I think then life happened. Of course, mom was all roles, including dad's.
And I think that, who you are as this person, like, let's say I look up to you as this very spirited, successful, woman who has made her own sort of choices fairly unapologetically and done what suits her best, right? How would you say that your mom shaped that do any incidents come to mind when you think about your mother and think, she really shaped how I think about being a woman?
Well, I've seen whatever circumstances came her way, and she handled them with elan and like a rock. Absolutely, I've seen her with the worst of conflicts in life, handling them totally single-handedly. When she came back to work, she had people telling her, you should not be doing this, you shouldn't be doing that, you should be sitting at home.
Hmm.
And she said, quit all that because I have two kids and I want to bring them up beautifully.
Hmm.
So there were so many things that happened. I remember there was a crisis that happened where somebody just sent us a letter where they threatened us that we'll kidnap the kids and everything. I saw her handling the situation beautifully, and I saw how the entire neighborhood and more, I would say the entire town was by her side. I'm sure she did something right.
Yeah.
And there she comes after finishing everything with a. She used to have this steel glass where she would have bina chana hua kala chai. Horrible, but it was her soothing factor, and she would just come back with it and be very comfortable with that. I saw, in spite of this all, she had a child in her. She had the zest for life. She enjoyed her moments with me and my brother, and she took out reasons to laugh,
Hmm.
even if it wasn't working out for her in those circumstances. That's what I learned.
But I think खुशी ढूंढनी पड़ती है.
हाँ, बट बहुत सारे लोग इंडल्ज कर जाते हैं उस चीज़ में कि यार, I mean, I have friends who would say, अरे यार आज का दिन ऐसा हो गया. वो होता है, and sometimes life bogs you down. And also, I think Bunny, we take ourselves very seriously. कि लाइफ ऐसी हो गई, फिर हम जल्दी से बड़े हो गए. हम मतलब बड़े बहुत जल्दी हो जाते हैं सब लोग यहाँ से. वो एंजॉय करना भूल जाते हैं. जो याद रखते हैं, I think I'm surrounded by such people, my mom being one. I see people around me who have zest for life, like Shabana ji, like Javed Saab, like Gulzar Saab. They have the zest for life. They celebrate it. It's beautiful.
Shabana ji and Javed Saab's parties are also all over the internet, right? And the where they host and they dance and I love watching it क्योंकि I feel like यार you can age like this also. आप ऐसे भी बड़े हो सकते हो, आप
Exactly what
मजेदार
I'm
रह
saying.
सकते हो. You can have the spirit in you alive.
So I always see a lot of my friends जिनके बच्चे थोड़े से भी बड़े हो गए, 10th में चले गए, 11th में चले गए, बस अब तो हो गया, अब तो बड़े हो गए, अब तो बच्चे बड़े हो गए, अब हमारा हो गया. I said, you're sounding retired already. I mean, that's a state of mind. What happens if your child's in the 10th standard? So what? So that means you've grown up. That means you stop living your life the way you want to.
Yeah.
You take your role play very seriously. तो रोल प्ले करना क्यों है यार? जो तुमको सूट करता है करो ना.
That's a very good way to put it. You take your role play very seriously.
Of course,
Yeah.
I'm supposed to be doing this.
Yeah.
I'm supposed to be doing that.
And do you think that you have outgrown the mindset that maybe you saw around you? Like, let's say your character does. Like, of course, what she's outgrowing is a very different sort of, approach to life and acts of patriarchy that maybe she didn't recognize were acts
Yeah.
of patriarchy or what is just and what is not just. What have you outgrown consciously?
See, let me put it this way. If I have learnt X, Y, Z, I don't forget A, B, C, D, E, F. That doesn't mean I outgrew A, B, C, D, E, F. It is a part of me.
Interesting.
So it will remain a part of me. If I actively use that or not is in my control. वो है मेरे सिस्टम में कहीं, वो रहेगा, लेकिन उसे इस्तेमाल कितना करना है वो मेरे हाथ में है. अपनी थिंकिंग कैसे चेंज करनी है, it happens how you react to situations around you.
That's actually a very good way to put it.
Thank
that you
you, Bani.
don't forget the ABC, but you just
You don't
know
have
when to apply it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
When to apply, how much to apply, even if you want to apply or not. I mean, you extend yourself, you expand your horizons. That doesn't mean you forget what you learned earlier, but you have to twist and tweak it, like you're talking about the show.
Yeah.
There's a Kamlesh who has learned that this is my family, this is what gave me love and protection, and the twitch of a finger, and everyone listens to what she says.
Yeah.
And then her foundation's absolutely shaken up
Yeah.
by someone she loves the most.
Yeah.
So the thing is, do you leave? And what she feels is, she goes to an outsider to check, is that even normal?
Yeah.
To say something like
Yeah.
that, because she has not been taught otherwise.
Yeah.
superstitions भी होते हैं. I don't know how much you believe in them, but I will think twice before going out of the house if somebody calls me out from behind.
Really?
Yeah, I do. And has no logic, absolutely, but because I'm conditioned to it. I'll go back, I'll say, अरे तुमने मुझे पीछे से बुला लिया, अब मेरे से 1 मिनट बात करो फिर जाऊंगी. I do that. I haven't still undone it. I'm trying to, but वो वहम है तो है, वो conditioning
ये
है तो है.
ABC वाली बात हो गई.
बिल्कुल. अब वो अच्छा, आज मैंने अच्छा कुछ सुना दिया है, मतलब
हाँ. Recall.
Nice.
इन कॉन्वर्सेशन रिकॉल नहीं है. इट
Yes.
स्टेड विद मी. मैं सोच रही थी कि मेरे क्या है ऐसे फाउंडेशनल चीजें जो समझ तो मतलब मेरे जहन में बैठे हुए हैं, पर मैं चूज करती हूँ उसको अप्लाई करना है कि नहीं करना है, सिचुएशन टू सिचुएशन.
It always is. You don't outgrow something.
मुझे एक बात बताओ मैम, आई हैव बीन वेरी क्यूरियस क्योंकि मैंने आपके ना बहुत सारे इंटरव्यूज देखे हैं एंड यू स्पोकन अबाउट लव एंड यू स्पोकन अबाउट मैरिज. After living a few decades of your life, do you think marriage is important? And I ask you this as someone who's not married.
I would love to answer it to you for someone who's not married, but I just feel sometimes, and most of my interviews have been asked that. And I find it very surprising. Why is it even an issue? I mean, it's anyone's choice to be married. It's anyone's choice to not be married. You found a great partner. Great, you got married. I wasn't happy with what I was offered. I'm sorry I didn't get married. But that doesn't mean I'm unhappy. I'm very happy. There's so many people who are not in happy marriages either.
But I share the same thought process क्योंकि मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि खुशी important है. आपको किसी के साथ मिले या अकेले मिले उससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है.
बिल्कुल.
पर
So-
हम इतना फोकस उस पे कर देते हैं, पूछ
Conditioning,
के हाँ कि शादी
conditioning
कब करोगी,
again.
शादी कब करोगी, शादी कब करोगी. मुझे ऐसे लगता है we bring women down by constantly asking them this question when
It
you're
should
getting
be the
married.
girl's choice, and I think you come from a very sorted family where the brother sister are working together,
Yeah.
and it's beautiful, and I'm sure your parents know that you will when you have to, and you won't
Yeah.
if you don't have to.
And they've been very kind and they've been very progressive and they've never made me feel like, oh, my choices aren't valid or
But can
that
I-
I'm running out of time or anything like that. Or they've just told me you be happy. We just want to see you happy. Whatever that is.
I'm seeing a very gradual change in people where they say we are not telling our kids to get married. Unki marzi. There's a sudden openness to the children's happiness, and I'm really liking that. And it's not for me to say hello because I didn't do something. I'm a rebel. I'm not. It's a choice I made. Please respect it. Please don't let me explain it to you or justify myself. This is how my life panned out, and this is what I'm enjoying. Period. Tomorrow, if I find love, I'll find it. Then I'm not changing sides.
Yeah.
I am not for marriage at all. But what if tomorrow I get married? So
Yeah.
ये क्या वो भी मेरी मर्जी, मेरी मर्जी, मेरी life. तो अनु की तो सानू की. और
Love
क्या?
it. This should be the motto. मेरी मर्जी, मेरी life. सानू की तो सानू की is
तो-
amazing.
हाँ,
Yeah.
तो
As
और
it ought
क्या?
to be.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
But love is always beautiful. I think love is a good feeling to have if one finds it.
Of course it is. I mean, does it show I'm anti-love or something?
नहीं, आप जितनी पोएट्री पढ़ते हैं इधर उधर, आप एंटी लव तो नहीं रख सकते
मैं तो
मुझे.
बहुत बड़ी रोमांटिक हूँ, इसीलिए मुझे जो चाहिए वो नहीं. ये यश जी ने जो फिल्में दिखाई हैं और वैसे
हाँ.
वाला राहुल राज अगर लाइफ में आ
हाँ.
जाए तो बहुत अच्छा हो जाए.
फिर वीर ज़ारा जैसी आप मूवी भी कर लेते हो जिसमें आप देखते हो कि इतना लोग एक दूसरे से प्यार करते हैं कि मतलब दे आर लाइक लाइफ ले लो बट इन द मेमोरी ऑफ दिस पर्सन आई एम हैप्पी टू लिव.
हाँ, बताओ.
ऐसी पिक्चरें करके फिर प्यार का
कैसे?
स्टैंडर्ड तो हाई होएगा.
हाई हो ही जाएगा. See how much you're understanding what I'm trying to say.
I think I share the same thought process. Let's blame Yash sir and Karan Johar and just call it a day.
I think I love their movies.
Yeah.
And I also feel मेरे दोस्तों में कुछ ऐसी कहानियां हैं and I love those stories. I love to see them together. अच्छा लगता है. तो ऐसा नहीं कि फिल्मों में दिखाया तो हम बिगड़ गए. होता है बट सबकी स्टोरीज अलग है ना. किसने कहा कि हर एक की स्टोरी यश चोपड़ा फिल्म होगी या करण जौहर फिल्म होगी. किसी की स्टोरी अनुराग कश्यप की वाली भी हो सकती है.
As long as you feel like the main character of your film, I think it's okay.
Absolutely. Of course. 100%.
So long as you are in control and you feel like life is not just happening to me, but it's coming from me.
Yes, and I think control sometimes becomes a very strong emotion. I feel as long as you have the freedom to choose what you want to do, to make the choices you want to make, life's good. I mean, beat me, beat anybody else. I think for me, success or any other thing for a man or a woman is that you have freedom of choice. But there's a beautiful line. I was watching Dilwale Dulhania while flying to Delhi, and she says, मेरी ही जिंदगी में से आप मुझे ये एक महीना दे सकते हो, मेरी इतनी इतनी खुशी दे सकते हो. So it's such an important line that it's my life. Can you allow me to enjoy from my own life 1 month of my life? I was like, wow, but beautiful. So it's so ironical that for your own life you got to ask somebody else, may I? Which is fine. We live in a societal thing.
Yeah.
As long as there's respect, as long as there's choice given, as long as there's happiness, of course. But imposing things on someone, I don't know.
Ma'am, when was the last time you made a choice and you felt very empowered by it?
I feel empowered with all the choices I make which are against the tide, which is expected of me that, be it signing a film. Everyone will say, Ari, you're not doing this. Why? This is so this. Anyone would do it. Fine, but I don't want to do it.
आपने तो एक फेज में बहुत सारी पिक्चरें रिजेक्ट भी करी थी आई थिंक
नहीं, वो फेज मेरा कंटिन्यू रहता ही है.
हाँ जहाँ आप स्टीरियोटाइप हो जाते हो फिर आप बोलते हो
फिर
ऐसे
मैं
फिर क्लीन करूंगी.
आप मुझे बहुत अच्छी तरह से जानते हैं और मुझे आप बहुत पसंद है.
मैंने आपको बहुत लाइक टाइम से फॉलो करा है ना, तो मैं आपके बहुत सारे इंटरव्यूज देखती हूँ, मैं फिर आपकी सारी परफॉर्मेंसेस भी देखती हूँ, मुझे तो बड़ा मजा आता है. तो
Thank you, darling.
I sit here as a fan, a genuine one at that.
Thank you. It shows that you genuinely know me well.
Yeah.
Which is great.
But I love how every time you've done something, then you're just like, no, I don't want to do this again.
You don't want to do something that you've done. You would want to excel in different ways. You would like to outdo yourself. And I feel competition जो भी होता है वो आपका खुद का खुद से होता है. मैं कहूँ I want to do better than so and so actor. No, but she's a different actor. She has different set of films. She has a different destiny written for her. I can compare myself with myself. Will I be able to do this role that I did earlier in a different way now because I'm a different person now? तो वो बड़ा ज़रूरी है. वो करते रहना, अपने आप को ढूंढते रहना, rediscover करते रहना. That's more important.
But ma'am, creative professions में money is, and because it's not steady income, right? I think that can be a motivator that might lead to a little bit of stagnation from time to time for people.
I wouldn't want to stagnate, but I would just say I've been here for 30 years. It's a great saying for a female actor to be relevant and successful and wanted for 30 years. And in the reverse order, as in a better way.
Yeah, I mean, it's only gone up and up and up, which is amazing.
But that happens because the audience is not bored of seeing you.
Yeah.
They want to see more of you. That happens because you're rediscovering yourself every time. That happens because you said many no's to get the yeses you want. And I guess that is the important thing. It's an easy route or it's a thoda lamba rasta, but a longer lasting one.
I think Neena ji has also had, like, she's shared her experience where, of course, her career graph sort of went up and spiked post Badai Ho. And she was also just like, you know.
What an amazing story.
What an amazing story.
She just wrote a post and just went viral and everyone woke up to it. And then she got that amazing film.
Yeah.
And then, wow.
And then, And who is to say that life is very unpredictable? Ho to kuch bhi sakta hai, so long as you have courage and you want to live it with a certain like vigor and strength, I think you can make
on
things
your own
happen.
terms. Absolutely. It has to be lived on your own terms. It's your life.
Yeah. I love that. I love that you say it's your life and one ought to own it.
Of course.
मजे तो आते हैं सोच के, बिकॉज बहुत सारी औरतों को ऐसे लगता नहीं है. आई थिंक वही स्ट्रॉन्ग कंडीशनिंग जिसकी हम बात करते हैं ना,
मुझे क्या लगता है
हम दूसरों के लिए ही जीते हैं बहुत लोग.
मैं भी जीती हूँ दूसरों के लिए बहुत. Women are givers. I'm seeing, we always take a very extreme approach to things. कि either I don't do anything and I follow rules and I don't live my life, or I'm a feminist. A strong feminist जो सिर्फ वो करेगी, ऐसा नहीं. I'm saying you got to balance out life. You live with people. You can't be living solo.
Yeah.
And I'll be talking to you. I'll go back to my house. These are interpersonal relations that need to be dealt a certain way. But there's a way of dealing and there's a way of expressing yourself. I'm saying, why leave one of these things? Express yourself. A healthy relationship, that's what I think we also try to show in the show, is when you are able to talk
Yeah.
and when
Very
you are
true.
able to listen. कि हाँ इसको प्रॉब्लम है, कैसे पता चलेगा जब तक वो बोलेगी ही नहीं. वो
Correct.
लड़की बोली तो पता चला, नहीं तो वही होता. That's been happening and that's so normalized.
Ma'am, outside of good communication, what is a good relationship?
Good relationship is when you hold a hand to someone and say I'm there. A good relationship is when unconditionally you feel responsible for somebody. Good relationship is when you there has to be a balance in a life where there is space and there is that bond that is there where you understand silences. वो बड़ा ज़रूरी है. तो वही again, there's not just one thing, but I think the biggest thing in any relationship is mutual respect. I think everything follows after that. Mutual.
I think so long as you don't disrespect somebody's insecurities, वो माफ भी कर देते हैं आपको.
Bilkul, of course. I mean, see, we're all human. We're not superhuman beings. We do have, I'll have insecurities, I'll have fears, I'll have anxieties. I never promised I'm going to be like hey, I'm a rock star. I am not vulnerable at all, of course. I had a dialogue in one of my films where she says, बहुत खुशकिस्मत होते हैं लोग जिन्हें वैसे पार्टनर्स मिले जो उन्हें उनकी सब कमजोरियों को जानते हैं और फिर भी उन्हें प्यार करें. So that is very important, to accept your partners, be there for them, and first of all respect them. वो nurturing बहुत ज़रूरी है. एक freedom देना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि कर ले पीछे मुड़ के पूछना वो थोड़ा वो है. But I think yeah, that's what a relationship is.
Freedom तो बहुत important है relationship में. Not because you want to like do anything wrong, but just because you want to just mentally not feel claustrophobic.
So like the show says, शादी license नहीं है. We tend to own people, we tend to possess people and say, now I have the right on you and I can treat you as I want. So that's what needs to go off, where you give that breathing space to someone, where you ask, are you okay with it? These are little tweaks in life जो conditioning से आते हैं. अगर डाले जाने शुरू किए जाएं तो मुझे लगता है बहुत सारी शादियां कुछ तो नहीं पता चलता. Half the women won't say,
Yeah.
but जो पता चलता भी है, they'll be much more healthier.
In India, ma'am, I feel like we are perpetually solving the conundrum of the good woman,
Yes.
right? Who do you think is a good woman as per your definition?
Well, सोचना पड़ेगा कि गुड वुमन तो बड़ा सब्जेक्टिव वो है. I think good woman is somebody who first keeps herself happy. Secondly, with that happiness, she enlightens the world around her. That would be, I think, for me, the definition of being good. To spread, a woman is somebody who is so multifaceted with things. आप चार काम करती हैं, आप ये भी करती हैं, आपका business भी संभालती हैं. I'm sure you have friends, then you have your family. When you're happy inherently doing what you like doing, which is this, which is that, is when you spread happiness around. And there's no per se definition of good. That I would be good for you may not be good for someone else. How do you explain that? But I think I need to be good to myself. That is very important. If I'm good to myself, I will be good to the world.
I agree. I think most people, especially men, tend to think that a good woman is one who is agreeable.
Yes.
You know,
That
who's
also
submissive and
Yes.
agreeable. Whereas I think that a happy woman, by virtue of just being happy, will be far more giving.
Absolutely. That's exactly what I was trying to say. When you're happy, when you're good to yourself, then it spreads automatically. There's no effort there.
Hmm.
But yeah, the definition keeps changing with every perspective of a man or otherwise from what they want of you.
Hmm. Of course, we know what the show is about, and I don't want to give out spoilers. But of course, the pivotal sort of aspect of it is consent and what that means for a woman and how important that is. How would you explain the idea of consent to a young girl? A young, impressionable girl is asking you, what is consent and how do I understand it? What would you say?
I think it's not just for a young girl, it's
Hmm.
also for the young boy. It's
Very well
very,
said.
very
Fair.
ironical that, people don't know what is right and what is wrong.
Hmm.
Like I'm again saying, they feel, I married you, na, you're mine, so it's okay.
Yeah.
So that I think for a couple, like even when we're doing intimate scenes, there's an intimacy director now
Yeah.
who tells them, तुझे क्या ठीक लग रहा है भाई, तुझे क्या ठीक लग रहा है भाई, are you comfortable
Yeah.
doing this, are you okay with doing it like that? So somebody's there here in the char diwari of your house. There's no one telling you what to do.
Yeah.
It's you and your partner,
Yeah.
and you got to see that the other person. I think the woman, हम कहीं भी जाते हैं, आप पार्टी पे जाती हैं, आप किसी से हाथ मिलाती हैं, आपको टच से पता चल जाएगा उसका इंटेंशन क्या है.
Correct.
करेक्ट.
100%.
मैं किसी को जोर से जाके जप्फी मारती हूँ,
Hmm.
मुझे पता है कि ये जोर से जप्फी मारने लायक है,
Hmm.
या कोई मेरे साथ हाथ ही मिला रहा है, won't go beyond that.
Hmm.
The touch,
Hmm.
you get to know. So I'm saying if you're sensitive, women are sensitive.
Yeah.
So for young girls, I think it is very important that you talk,
Hmm.
that you tell your husband what you like, what makes you happy.
Hmm.
And when you're happy, as I said,
Yeah.
the happiness will spread not only to the husband but to the household.
Yeah.
But talk. They feel ये सिर्फ मेरा problem है. It doesn't exist. It's only mine.
Hmm.
So there's a certain fear in the naivety of it all. That if I say, what will somebody think? कि और तो किसी को problem नहीं है, इसको problem हो गया है.
Hmm.
But when you start talking, you realize how it is all over.
Hmm. Yeah.
It's just everywhere. And for the boys, I think that respect, one, for your spouse who's just entered your house,
Yeah.
more so if it's an arranged marriage.
Yeah.
Just be a little more sensitive and careful. And because this rishta is very fragile,
Hmm.
it's just started. You have to water it to nurture a plant. You cannot just drown it with the flood कि हेलो अब ये प्लांट मेरे घर में आ गया है,
अभी
अब
मेरा
इसमें
है,
इसको
बस
मैं
अब-
पानी डालूं, जो मर्जी करूं, नहीं.
Hmm.
उसको धूप देना, उसको पानी देना, उसको नर्चर करना, फिर done.
Hmm.
Everything done. This is the nature. I'm just talking about a plant.
Correct.
You talk about animals, anybody, and then you talk about human beings. Everyone reacts the same.
Yeah.
So, but इतनी sensitivity हमें सिखाई नहीं गई है.
Hmm.
तो ये again is conditioning, and which is very interesting. We need to just sometimes see कि ये conditioning अभी ज़रूरी है. मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है किसी का नाम बोलना. अभी I was telling, in fact, this year I was telling, why are you calling him so and so? Why are you calling him Bhai Saab or Bhaiya Ji? I said, she's saying, what should I call him?
Hmm.
I said, call him by the name and add a G.
Yeah.
It's nice for people to know that you're giving a personal touch to them. You know their names.
Yeah.
You're not generalizing. So and so के वो एक confidence नहीं है उस रिश्ते में कि आप नाम ही नहीं ले पा रहे. Of course, because it's been
Correct.
brought.
Yeah.
वो चाहे घर के अंदर आपके अपने intimate उसमें हो, लेकिन I'm sure नाम बोले जाते होंगे.
लापता लेडीज की पूरी प्रेमिस ही
पूरी
ये थी
exactly.
कि वो नाम ही
नाम ही
नहीं
नहीं
बता
पता. So yeah, I think we are amazingly conditioned to things, and we just need to be a little looking around and looking within.
Ma'am, in all the years that you've sort of lived and loved and laughed and won, I would say, in your life, what if you were to give me a highlight reel, what have been like the highs that you have really enjoyed?
Oh, so many of them.
Yeah, give me 2 or 3. 2 or 3 where you just felt amazing.
See, first of all, I think there's immense gratitude that I grew up as a little child watching certain people on the big screen and saying, wow, he's my favorite, she's my favorite, what a film. and you end up in life where not only are you working with those people, but they're also very dear friends of yours, and also they respect you for your work. I think this is the biggest high point you have. Two, I think the highest point I have is that to have become an actor, and that I give it entirely to one person, that's my mother, for giving me wings to fly, for actually making me a chiraiya, that to go fly, the sky is yours.
Yeah.
You need that one person supporting you and saying, even if you fall down, I'll come and pick you up.
I've got you.
I got you. I have your back. You really need that.
Yeah.
आप चाहे कुछ भी ना करो, आपको वो आवाज आप उस पे भी लगा दोगे ना, आपको उससे बहुत शक्ति मिलेगी. You feel very, very empowered that, you know, somebody trusts you, somebody believes in you.
Yeah.
In today's times, which are really, really hard times, nobody's listening to anyone. Nobody's talking to anyone. Mobile is the best friend.
Correct.
And किसी की silences तो सुनना बहुत दूर की बात है.
हम तो बात भी नहीं सुन रहे.
हम तो
Silences
बात
तो
exactly.
Yeah.
तो silences भी सुन ले. तो yeah, I mean, to tell somebody that I got you is the most underutilized thing. कहीं पे भी कर दें, आप अपने सेट पे ही कर लें, किसी को यूं ही छोटी सी हेल्प कर दें, you see how happy they'll feel. You see they'll never forget that for life. You meet so many people say, you know, ma'am, I met you here and there, wherever, and you know, you had done this. I don't remember that, but they remembered.
Yeah.
जो नया आता है मेरी लाइफ में भी, when I was new, whoever held my hand that time, do you think I'll ever forget? Because they didn't need to. तो वो, it's a very underutilized thing, but we need to really look back into the goodness we had, and we have, which we kind of अपनी जद्दोजहद में कहीं उसको बेचारी को साइड पे बिठा देते हैं.
ऐसे कौन थे एक दो लोग के बारे में बताओ, who really caught you by surprise but played a very pivotal role in?
Mr. Bachchan, first of all. I didn't know how to, you know, distinguish between real and real, and I love him. Who doesn't?
Who doesn't love
Yes,
him?
but to do a Bagban where I played a nasty woman,
Yeah.
and I was a child myself. I was 17, 18.
Wasn't it so hard to be nasty to him?
Exactly. So that's what happened. So earlier, initial days, I was the exuberant self and say, "Good morning, sir. Happy that, you know, I'm with Mr. Bachchan and I'm shooting with him. Dream come true." Gradually, the nasty bit of the role started getting on to me, and my good mornings just dimmed away. They were like, "Good morning, sir," and this, and the sensitive man that he is, he caught me and he said, "Tum idhar aao." And I went. He said, "Tumhe pata hai, you're not really being nice to me in the film." And I quickly came to my defense. I said, "No, sir, but you know, I'm just saying my lines." He didn't say anything. He was quiet. But what he wanted to say was, exactly, you're saying your lines. You're not saying it to me. So don't feel so bad about it.
Yeah.
And then he pampered me with gachak and everything. And I was so normal and happy and
And
pampered
this is
and
Amitabh
happy.
Bachchan.
So do you think a young girl, all of 17, 18, will ever forget that Amitabh Bachchan was
You were
nice?
17, 18?
Yeah, I came very young.
Wow.
So I'm saying, जो आपका शुरुआत में तब हाथ पकड़ते हैं जब कोई नहीं पकड़ रहा होता है. ये हाथ पकड़ना क्या, ये he's
हौसला
given
देना
me,
होता है.
but he's given me a thing for life. I got to know how to distinguish between real and real. I will always inherently be very, very grateful to him for being that sensitive. He's a mega star. To be that observant, to be that sensitive, and to do something about it.
Yeah.
वो सिर्फ होने से नहीं होता, उसको कुछ करना भी
वो
पड़ता
तो
है.
सब लोगों को फूल भी भेजते हैं. I think everybody
वो
feels so
12
encouraged.
बजे जिनके साथ उन्होंने काम किया है, वो 12 बजे, he's the first one to wish them happy birthday. Yash uncle used to do that. Mr. Bachchan does that.
How incredible
I'm
is
learning that from them as well. I won't be the 12 baje, but I will make sure that I wish people I know on their birthdays. But how incredible. See, you're passing it.
that? Yeah.
He didn't say, सुनो मैं ऐसा करता हूँ, तुम सीखो.
हाँ.
नहीं.
You watch and learn.
मुझे अच्छा लगा. मुझे अच्छी फीलिंग आई, तो किसी और को क्यों ना आए. तो वो होना बहुत जरूरी. Then Shahrukh, Veer Zara, we were shooting. I didn't know the camera angles, and another actor covered me a bit, and I didn't know how to say it, and I was sulking. कि अब मैं कैसे बोलूँ? You know, again, this chiraiya situation in a different way.
Yeah.
For a different situation.
Yeah.
कि मैं कैसे बोलूँ, कोई क्या सोचेगा. And then he told the actor, would you please mind just we covering Divya. And you know how much gratitude I felt, and I could have hugged him that time, but I was again very shy. And when the shot got over, he said, "Listen, I won't be on every set looking over, so please learn to take care of yourself." That exactly is what I'm trying to say. Passing on the thing that everyone is not everywhere to look after you, so you got to look after yourself and what makes you happy. So you got to say what makes you comfortable, what you got to say what doesn't.
But I love that someone like a Mr. Bachchan or someone like Shah Rukh would take a moment and just be like, listen, you're new, learn this so that this, serves you later.
Yeah, but they didn't say it in so many
They
things.
did
It's
it.
for me to take it ahead.
Hmm.
It's again how much I'm ready to receive.
Hmm.
They can't tell me कि सुनो ऐसा ही करना ना, मुझे जो अच्छा लगा उसमें से मैंने ले लिया. And I'm talking about it to you today. So after so many years, it still is very right here, right here.
The scene in Bhag Milkha Bhag, I know that everybody talks to you about it, but it still is one of my favorites.
Sure.
But I feel like, the scene where you are, आप अपनी pockets फरोल रहे हो ना,
Yes.
for the Balis, and then you see them, okay, and then you look ahead, and then Farhan is behind you, and you're looking at him, but you're looking, at what you're experiencing, and then you have like teary eyes. Incredible acting.
Thank you, darling.
Like, what a moment of just when you see joy, but expressed with such subtlety and also amazement and surprise. I think those eyes, I'll never get over that.
Oh, thank you.
What an incredible, that scene, I think, stayed with me. When he makes you wear the jacket and then he says, देखो pockets में.
ये इतना सुंदर सीन लिखा हुआ था, and we didn't really need to do anything beyond. But Rakesh Mehra, the director of the film, he said, "Give it your own end." And he said it and he left. And he's a man of very few words. So I was like, what does he mean by saying, "Give it your own end"? It's already there.
Yeah.
So after we'd done the whole thing, I was embracing Farhan. And I myself thinking, and the shot is on, is this how it's going to end? So cliche. Seen in every film that, hugging and the scene ends.
Yeah.
What are you adding to it? What's your X factor? I'm telling myself this all through the shot in a matter of seconds. And then something that I was never aware of happened. I realized that the characters you play also have a subconscious memory. So I suddenly found Isri in myself.
Yeah.
And I'm like, you forgot that father saluted little Milkha when we shot 2 months back. You forgot that. And it was a surreal state of mind. And I just left the embrace and I saluted him. I have no idea what happened. Everyone was like, what just happened? No idea. But we all had a group hug. We were all crying. No one used glycerines anywhere. It felt so magically beautiful. I'm sure it had to reach the hearts the way it did.
No, that's what I'm saying. Like, when I think of that film, of course, I think of several scenes from that film, but this is one of those. And I remember one of the scenes where you very sweetly and nurturingly say, I think you're giving him your glass of milk.
Yeah.
And you're like, तुझे दूध पसंद है ना, तू ले ले. But that love in your eyes, it reaches people. And it's beautiful.
Thank you.
How do you do it?
I have a lot of it inside.
I'm sure. I'm sure. It's stunning to watch.
Thank you. I don't know. I think I'm a good girl, yeah.
And you're a fabulous actress as well. I think I think you're a good person and then you're a great actor. And I think the amalgamation of that is just...
Thank you. I just feel you have to give yourself to the character on a very serious note and let them decide. And you pick up some nuggets from your own life. And if they need to be added, you add them with it. I remember I used to play this game all the time. This one, you remember? The finger.
Yeah.
ये वाली ढूंढो और वो आप पकड़ते हैं ऐसे करके.
Correct.
And so Rakesh ji said, "Is there any moment you can add here?" So I said, "I played this." He said, "Go ahead, play it." So they give you the freedom to give Isri the color I want. It helps that they give you wings to fly कि जा तू इसको कलर दे अपना जो तुझे देना है. And that's where I think it comes from. The warmth and love, I think, also comes from the fact that when you come very loved from a family or from a partner, I think you have lots to give.
Yeah. No, I'm sure. And I feel like there are moments where you have been able to add so much of, you know, your subconscious understanding of the character. But I'm sure there are scripts where that's not possible. Maybe not as many people are like, you know,
Yeah.
give you the freedom. How do you feel? Do you feel restricted then? Do you feel like it's not the same कि आप delivery same नहीं आती उस level की?
So see, most of the times when you're hearing a narration, you know this director is going to be fun to work with in the larger picture. You know that you're on the same page as him or
Yeah.
her. But sometimes you might just feel कि अच्छा ये scene मैं ऐसा सोच रही थी but इन्होंने ऐसा सोचा. I remember I was doing a film where I was supposed to be the negative, and my director said, and I was going a little low in my tone. He said, आप इसको थोड़ा loud कर देंगी? And I was hating being loud because I didn't want to be loud. And I told him, I said, sir, ये कर दूं क्या, ऐसा रहने दें? तो he's like, नहीं मैडम कर दो ना, उसको थोड़ा loud कर दो. वो थोड़ा
Heroine था क्या?
सोचो. तो फिर I went to my vanity. I called another director friend of mine who I've worked with and really respect. I said, मेरा बिल्कुल मन नहीं कर रहा है इतना लाउड करने को. He's saying, तो एक काम करो, तुम उनको बोलो कि बाकी का हम डबिंग में कर लेंगे. तो मुझे ऐसे करने दो. I'm comfortable doing it. I think with time you learn also how to you know convey it to the director.
हीरोइन में आप नेगेटिव कैरेक्टर तो नहीं प्ले कर रहे
नहीं,
थे.
नहीं, वो
वो
negative.
नेगेटिव तो नहीं था.
ये हीरोइन की बात हो ही नहीं रही
हाँ
है.
हाँ, मैं आई एम रिकॉलिंग ना क्योंकि मुझे वो भी मूवी अच्छी लगी थी.
It was very good.
या
So that role wasn't being given to me. वो मुझे नहीं दे रहे थे क्योंकि उनको लगा बहुत स्वीट फेस है और कैसे
अच्छा किया आपने डरा दिया करीना कपूर.
नेगेटिव तो नहीं, चलो ग्रे कैसे करेगी.
हाँ.
तो ऐसे ये क्या मतलब हुआ, जिनके चेहरे प्यारे होते हैं उनका एटीट्यूड अलग नहीं हो सकता है
हाँ.
क्या. सो दिस नहीं पॉइंट है बट दिस इज अ फिल्म.
Yeah.
सो आई सेड ओके गिव मी सम टाइम एंड देन आई जिद आ जाती है. आपको कोई चैलेंज करे ना तो जिद आ जाती है. सो देन आई वाज लाइक, then I got my hair cut. Then I
It's a
had
bob, right?
Yeah, and then I
Yeah.
did all that and you know the look and everything. I said, now tell me.
Yeah.
So, I mean, Madhur was always there, but there were others who were like too sweet a face to cast in a grey role. So then he showed the pictures to them, and they said, okay, okay.
You're the one who turns her life around, na, basically.
That's true.
Who re-guides her through, if I'm not
Yes,
mistaken.
Yes, yes. So yeah, so from then on, I think I started getting negative roles that I enjoyed.
उसमें ज्यादा मजा आता है कि गुड गर्ल में ज्यादा मजा आता है?
Layers में मजा आता है.
फेयर इनफ.
तो लेयर्स किसी भी शेड में हूँ, किसी भी किरदार में हूँ, वो मजा आता
क्योंकि
है.
गुड में भी कुछ तो बैड होता ही है.
Exactly. वो पहले there was a time when you would say the heroine is good, the vamp is bad. So now I think we've reached in between where you are just real people. जो कहीं पे कुछ है और कहीं पे कोई और लेयर आ रहा है आपके अंदर, and which is accepted, a part of you.
What did you enjoy the most about your character in Chiraiya?
One, I think it's a beautiful graph.
I would
for
100%
women.
agree.
Two, it's an amazingly author-backed role that is written. So your role as an actor is eased out. Because my thing always as a greedy actor is that if it isn't author-backed, then you got to add more and more an X factor to make it special.
Yeah.
But when it's already special, then you got to just go enjoy. So that I think was an amazing thing about Kamlesh. Also, I think the fact that there were various other things to do vis-a-vis dancing and dancing crazy, and the director made me choreograph my own dances and I just went wild. So I had that, then I learned how to ride a scooty with a woman sitting behind. वो सीखा लखनऊ की गलियों में. That happened. Then lots of action happened. I enjoyed all that, apart from, of course, the intensity of the role.
Also, I mean, if whenever people see the show, they'll realize that your character expresses everything substantively sans aggression.
Yes.
And that's actually a big feat to be able to do.
You're the one who's actually observed it. Even for me, I didn't realize it.
Mm.
But I guess when you really respect somebody, and even if you want to go against them, there's a
Mm.
way you say it.
Yeah.
So that's exactly what.
Like she says whatever she feels, but at no point can you fault her for saying it in the way she says it.
Yes, that I think also is my mantra. That's where probably Divya meets Kamlesh.
Interesting. That's why you keep saying balance, balance, balance.
Yeah,
And
but-
harmony in relationships. Like the freedom to say how you feel, but at the same time, you know,
I don't want to ruffle feathers, but I want to speak my mind. It's not like I don't want to take pangas or anything. I don't want to hurt anybody, but I want to say what I want to say.
That's
So-
true. That's exactly what it's like as well.
Yes.
And the intensity is all in the eyes. Love it.
Thank you.
Love it.
Thank you.
My favorite scene is this one line where she says, Bhagwan, आप बताओ,
भगवान तुम्हारी हमसे रक्षा करे.
भगवान तुम्हारी हमसे रक्षा करे.
Yes.
Iconic.
It's-
मुझे
it's a
इतनी
very
guts
strong
चाहिए किसी को ये बोलने के लिए.
one. And somebody you love.
हाँ, of course.
Even more
मीनिंगलेसली
so.
किसी को तो बोलने में
No,
क्या
what
ही
I mean
लगे.
is ऐसे किसी को बोल सकते हैं ना,
हाँ.
तुम्हें बचा लिया जाए, but
हाँ.
somebody you really love, it really was. I mean, this is a very powerful line.
It's a very powerful line.
You know, the interesting thing in life, and of course in the story, is that it's always difficult to take a decision. Once you've taken it, to stand by it is easy. But उस journey पे decision तक पहुंचना is the difficult.
Discernment वाला phase difficult होता है.
हाँ. हमेशा हर एक की life में. And that's why I think I find that commonality with Kamlesh that resonates with, I think, me, I'm sure everyone else. So yeah.
Ma'am, you recite poetry in a way that very, very seldom people do. May I ask you to please recite any 2 lines that you like, just for me to hear it in your voice?
Sure. मैं सितारों से बातें करती हूँ. मैं अक्सर सितारों से बातें करती हूँ. कभी कभी उनसे पूछ लेती हूँ, क्या तुम्हारी तरह आसमां के अंधेरों में चमक पाऊंगी? जिंदगी की इस शहर में क्या कभी टिमटिमाऊंगी? तभी एक सितारा टूट जाता है मेरी गुमनामी की तरह किसी अंधेरे में. दूर, कहीं दूर खो जाता है. फिर भी मैं अक्सर सितारों से बातें करती हूँ.
Beautiful. That's so beautiful. And that's what I'm saying. I think I attended one of your sessions with Javed Saab,
Yes.
where the two of you were sort of conversing and you were also reading poetry and he was reading his. And it was so nice. And I was like, if I ever get the opportunity to meet you, मैं आपसे कुछ तो ऐसे 2 लाइन बोलूंगी बोलने के लिए.
Thank you. Yeah, so this was written by my mother. She sent it to me when I was not getting the kind of work I wanted to. And हौसला अफजाई के लिए चिट्ठी में लिख के भेजती थी.
How sweet. Mothers are so special.
Absolutely.
They're everything.
Yes.
Even mine is beautiful.
Adorably. Yeah.
I feel like, so much of the self-confidence that you grow up with and your sense of being, your individuality comes from how your mother makes you feel.
Oh, totally.
And I really credit mine for, always telling me that you can do anything.
Oh, totally. I remember when I was learning driving, so we were supposed to come from Ludhiana to Delhi, and we missed the train. And so I said, oh, तो अब क्या करें? She said, तो गाड़ी में चलते हैं. I said, गाड़ी चलाएगा कौन? She said, तू चलाएगी. I said, Mama, मैंने अभी सीखी है गाड़ी. And that time it wasn't one way.
Yeah.
It was like all the buses and the trucks coming all over you. So I said, Mom, no, I freeze when I see a truck. She says, so I'm sitting right next to you. Go ahead. And then she just sat there having her picnic aloo and parathas and chai. And I was driving. But whoa, what a confidence I got for life. So and I am a good driver. So I've driven right something from a truck to a tractor. Don't go by my size.
Truck?
Yes.
When have you driven a truck
for
and
an
why?
ad film.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so because उसको कुछ आप सेट नहीं कर सकते तो पीछे 4 गद्दियां लगाई थी मैंने. फिर ट्रैक्टर, आई रिमेम्बर, आई लव ट्रैक्टर्स बिकॉज बचपन से ट्रैक्टर देखा है. ग्रो अप इन पंजाब
Yeah.
एंड हमारे सब दोस्त मोस्टली वो जाट्स थे.
Ludhiana, right?
हाँ, जाट्स थे जिनके फार्म्स वगैरह सब थे, तो उनके यहाँ ट्रैक्टर्स चलते थे. सो आई यूज्ड टू सिट ऑन द साइड एंड सी दीज पीपल drive a tractor. So abhi I did a film where I was supposed to drive a tractor and they called for a body double. So they said ये चला लेंगे आप सिर्फ क्लोज दे दो. I said चलो मैं एक बार करके देखती हूँ. So then I drove and I went off to another field, किसी और के वहाँ पे चली गई.
आपके डायरेक्टर्स को डर नहीं लगता
उन्होंने देखा
कि
she's
कुछ
having
भी
a
कर
blast.
लेती है?
तो लगा मजे करिए, करने दो. और फिर 2 दिन बेचारा बॉडी डबल आया, तीसरे दिन से उसने नहीं आना छोड़ दिया.
कि ये तो कर ही लेंगी
कि,
मैनेज.
तो अब तो छोड़ दो, क्यों पैसे वेस्ट करें. सो दैट देन आई रोड अ बाइक. नाउ इन चिराई हैव
Scooty तो
लर्नड
आपने
हाउ
करा.
टू हाँ ड्राइव अ पिलियन. सो वो सब हो गया.
What fun.
सो कॉन्फिडेंस केम फ्रॉम मम्मा.
Yeah, when you look back at everything that you've done, you must be feeling like यार मजे तो आए सब करने में.
मजे ही आने चाहिए यार. हम
हाँ.
मजे करने को ही आए हैं लाइफ में.
हाँ.
बस ये है कि किसी को तोड़ते फोड़ते कहीं आगे ना जाएं. अपना
Correct.
रास्ता खुद बना के थोड़ा साफ करके आप ठीक करते हुए अपने रास्ते पे जाएं. वो बड़ा जरूरी है.
Very well said. I'll take that with me. I will definitely take that advice. That you carve your own path, but not at the cost of anyone.
Not ever.
Yeah.
That's not good karma at all.
Yeah.
So दूसरे भी खुश रहें, आप भी खुश रहें.
Ma'am, what do you do to unwind after hours? What do you do to just relax? Put your feet up?
I literally put my feet up
बस
in
फिर
my
टीवी देखते हो आप?
pajamas. नहीं. टीवी में देखती हूँ रात के 12-1 बजे, अगर मैं जागी होती हूँ मोस्टली, जब मुझे मेरा वाला कुछ देखना है. I'll read. I have 2 crazy little children at home who are my niece and nephew. They think I'm the younger one out of the 3 of
Your
us.
spirit is quite infectious. I can understand
So-
why.
So yeah, I mean, so the 3 of us, वो my brother says मेरे कमरे का सजावट ऐसी, since you are into all this, वो लगता है कि बहुत there's a lot of woodwork in it and everything. थोड़ा old timer heritage property जैसा कमरा है मेरा. तो my brother comes in and says ऐसे लगता है कि 4 बुजुर्ग बरगद के पेड़ के नीचे बैठ के ताश खेल रहे हैं. And I love doing that with the kids.
Yeah.
I don't know the see, the mere talking about them, I'm fresh because there's a certain energy that comes from kids.
Yeah.
The world of innocence that we forget when you become one like them, where they feel, अरे इसको मेरी बात समझ आ रही है, बड़ों को नहीं आ रही, इसको समझ में आ रही है मेरी बात.
You're the one they share with.
Totally. Everything. Secrets, everything. So it's that shush thing feels really good. I also get a break from my work. That happens. We play games, go out for drives. I meet my friends. I love my get-togethers with them. वो बड़ा ज़रूरी है. And also, Bani, I think there's something called nothingness.
I love that.
वो हम बहुत उसको इससे घबराते हैं. Nothingness कैसे बोल दिया? अच्छा मैं फ्री हूँ, मैं ये कर लूँ. अरे भाई तो कुछ मत कर, आज छुट्टी है ना, तू चिल मार. तो चिल कैसे मारते हैं? मतलब टीवी देख लिया, ये भी कर लिया, प्रोडक्टिव डे ही नहीं है. I realized the hard way around that, everything doesn't have to be productive. You got to just be enjoying the nothingness. Again, I'm coming back to Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra. I was shooting for Delhi 6 with him. And 2 दिन मेरे बीच में फ्री थे. जयपुर में हम लोग शूट कर रहे थे. So he was walking with me. I said, sir, 2 दिन की आपने मुझे छुट्टी दे दी, मैं क्या करूं? तो he said, अरे enjoy करिए, ये देखिए गिलहरी जा रही है, इसको देखिए. I just looked at him. I said, मैं गिलहरी देखने को आई हूँ यहाँ पे, मैं शूट करने आई. Thinking of a whatever.
Yeah.
Years pass. Today, in my house, I look forward to a gilhari coming from the tree into my balcony. That life teaches you
Yeah.
to enjoy, stop, take a pause,
Yeah.
breathe, enjoy this, because I do. I don't know about what the other people do, but I do. I enjoy this nothingness of just being, and it rejuvenates you like nobody's business. It does.
No, I'm sure. I actually completely agree with what you're saying. In fact, this is a recent thing for me also, where I was also like this, productivity crazy person.
You become perfectionist.
हाँ,
no?
तो अब I've just like, I would be the person जो छुट्टी से आके एकदम से unpack कर ले.
अच्छा, मैं तो
मैं नहीं
करती
करती
नहीं
अब मैं 2 दिन वेट कर लेती हूँ if I need to, कि अब मेरा मन नहीं कर रहा.
I'm very proud of you.
Yeah, I've unlearned that.
It's so important to unlearn.
Yeah.
We just think अच्छा ये भी सीखा हुआ है, ये भी सीखा हुआ है. सबसे जरूरी लेसन लाइफ में होता है टू अनलर्न. नहीं तो इतने भारी बस्ते लेकर कहाँ जाएंगे जिंदगी में,
Correct.
कि लर्न करते 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 कुछ तो छोड़ना पड़ेगा.
I agree.
ये भी ले जाना.
ये भी ले जाऊंगी. मैं तो बहुत कुछ लेके जा रही हूँ. मुझे बड़ा मजा आया आपसे मिलके.
Same.
And what a pleasure to have met you, to have chatted with you. My absolute privilege. Thank you for coming.
Thank you for
All the
calling me back.
best
Thank
for your
you.
new show. And hopefully I'll see you very soon.
I hope so too.
And, we'll chat more, and I'll listen to your chirpy, sexy voice again.
But I must say, I'm not feeling I'm meeting you for the first time. You're so warm
Thank you.
and all warmth personified. So thank you.
Thank you so much. And yeah, wishing you only the best.